Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. I am Melody. If this is your first time seeing me, I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel down below. Today's video is all about this beautiful green eye look that I did. If you're interested in seeing how I achieved this look, then continue watching and let's get into this video. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is moisturize my face with this Palmer's Skin Success Dark Spot Cream. For primer today, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Just apply a small amount to my face. When I tell you this thing sticks products to your face, this is what I mean. For foundation, I'm going to be mixing my Maybelline Fit Me along with my e.l.f. foundation. I'm going to apply my e.l.f. Camo Concealer along with my LA Girl Pro Concealer to highlight my face. Let's start with a forehead. I'm going to be cream contouring with this Blk Opal foundation stick. Going back in with my foundation brush again to just blend everything together. Going to go back in with my concealer brush to remove the creases from under my eyes before I go in and set with powder. Before going in with a loose powder, I'm going to set with this pressed powder. Then I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. For contouring slash bronzing, I'm going to be using this Makeup Revolution Glow Bronzer. Just to set my face, I'll be using my Superstay pressed powder. Alright, so now that my brows are done, I'm going to move on to eyeshadow, and I'm going to take this BH Cosmetics, this eyeshadow palette that I've had since forever. I'll be going in with this as my transition shade. Next, I'm going to go in with my Morphe 35M palette. I'm going to be using this dark brown shade here. I'm going to go in with some of my Airspun loose powder on the areas where I highlighted. I'm also going to use that to carve out my cheekbones. For blush, I'll be using this Covergirl blush. So next, I'm going to line my lips with this Wet n Wild eyeliner in the shade Simmer Brown. This is NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Madeline, and the center gloss is from Makeup Is My Life Cosmetics in the shade Sweet. To top that off, I'm going to go in with some clear lip gloss. Alright, so to finish the look, I'm going to go in with this Wet n Wild highlighter. So this is the finished look. I don't know, something about it just to give me a look of vibe. It's so cute. As usual, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment your thoughts down below, let me know what you think, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.